Hello and welcome to today's slow Foxtrot video. We will look at routine, feather step, closed telemark, natural turn with heel pull finish, curve feather and running finish. Man starts with right foot, feather step, forward, 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 outside partner, closed telemark, forward to side, diagonally forward, natural turn with heel pull finish, forward outside partner to side, back, then back, heel pull to side, close without weight and forward step, curve feather, forward, forward, forward outside partner, running finish, back in CBMP to side and diagonally forward. Lady starts with left foot, feather step, back, back, back in CBMP, close telemark, back, close in heel turn, diagonally back, natural turn with heel pull finish, back in CBMP, close in heel turn, forward, then forward to side, close without weight and step back, curve feather, back, back, back in CBMP and running finish, forward outside partner to side and diagonally back. With teaching count, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at some of technique tips. Tips for closed telemark and natural turn with heel pull finish. Tips for body contact in feather step and tips for contact in closed telemark. Closed telemark, man starts with left foot forward and dances around lady's heel turn and then diagonally forward. Now he goes forward outside partner, turns lady to right, goes around lady's heel turn and goes back. Now he dances back and heel pull with heel, then inside edge of foot, then whole foot, closes left foot without weight and then step forward. Lady starts with right foot back, closes in heel turn, turns and goes diagonally back, then back in CBMP, closes feet in heel turn, step forward. Now step forward between man's feet, goes to side, closes foot without weight and step back. Now let's look at body contact in feather step. This is correct version, so we keep right front to right front all the time. Now wrong version, we start correctly, right front to right front, and in last step we lose body contact. Now body contact in closed telemark, we keep correct body contact right front to right front. Now let's look at mistake. If man turns little bit too much, he loses contact with the lady. So from another angle, correct version, so man and lady keeps contact, and now man turns little bit too much and loses contact. Now I would like to thank all participants and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And I ask you also to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and learn more from me, Egils Smagris, personally. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.